Hey everyone! This is a tutorial for the new Tersano machine that we have downstairs. Tersano uses water and electricity combined to create stabilized aqueous ozone. And this is the new cleaning product that is going to replace pretty much everything that we have at the studio, including Benefect for cleaning the hot room purposes and vinegar and water for the rest. This tutorial is going to cover the basics on how to fill up bottles and how to take care of the machine, but please refer to the manufacturer's videos that are online for how the product's actually being created within the machine. There's lots of good resources there for you. Enjoy. The Tersano machine is directly connected to a cold water line. When you see this dial pointing all the way up, it kind of looks like a roadblock. This means that no water is being accessible to the machine. When you turn this dial to the left, you're opening the water line. You can kind of see that it looks open, it's all in one line. You want to make sure when you have finished using the machine, you've finished filling up the buckets, you want to turn the water line off so that there's not a continuous source of water moving into the machine. To begin dispensing the stabilized aqueous ozone, make sure that you have the yellow nozzle in a vessel that you want to have filled. So whether that's the mop bucket for floors, the Tropicana jugs for in the hot room, or this little jug that you'll use with a funnel to fill up the spray bottles. Have it ready to go because as soon as the machine gets turned on to charging, there is actually movement in the line. So any left behind liquid is actually going to come right out of that nozzle like really fast. So this will prevent some spills from happening. Have it ready to go in the jug. Once the nozzle is ready in the vessel, you can come over here to the water line, and the first step will be moving the line so that it's open. So you're going to turn the dial quarter turn to the left, and you'll hear some water coming through the pipes. Maybe just me. This means that water is moving into the machine. You're going to head up here to the main switch, and there's only one way to go. All the way to the right, turn that bad boy on. You'll see the lights show up here. System charging, but since there's water in the line, we're already filling up quite fast. Green light is on, meaning the SAO is dispensing from the machine. You're going to simply turn the machine off when you're finished filling the jug. Just want to give you a visual idea here of how fast the machine dispenses the SAO. So I'm going to fill up one of these Tropicana jugs. First, I'm going to put the nozzle into the jug. This is going to be a little bit awkward because I'm using one hand to record the video. So pardon for all of the movements back and forth. But first step, nozzle in the jug. Second step, I'm going to open up the water line. Opened up the water line. Then I'm going to move up to the machine and switch it on. You see the system's charging, but I can tell that it's already dispensing. I can hear it and feel it through the nozzle. And you'll see the liquid coming in pretty fast. Fill these jugs about halfway and then move to switch the machine off, and it'll keep filling the rest of the way. Alright, we're all the way up to the top. Hook them a handle. Close the water line. Mop that room. So you might be wondering what we're actually going to be using the SAO for. It's actually our complete replacement for everything. Benefect, vinegar, and water. I'm going to get you to use that mason jar that's next to the laundry soap, fill it up with SAO, and add it to every single batch of laundry to help really fight that stink. There's a sticker on the jar to let you know which one to use.